The low-carb life. I feel better. I look better. There's nothing I miss, except yogurt.
Regular yogurt is loaded with carbs. This isn't. Carb Countdown yogurt from Hood. It's real yogurt with a rich, creamy taste you've been missing, but with 80% less carbs and twice the protein of regular yogurt. No wonder it's the only Atkins-approved yogurt. Carb Countdown yogurt from Hood. Also available in delicious, drinkable yogurt smoothies. America's dairy expert since 1846.
We are insomniacs. While other car companies sleep soundly at the wheel of convention, we have created a dream machine. An all-wheel drive vehicle with a stunning new body and a turbocharged soul. A vehicle that takes your old notions of a wagon and puts them to bed.
To bed once and for all.
The 250 horsepower Subaru Legacy.
Rise and shine.
See your Subaru dealer for details on a special introductory lease on the all-new Subaru Legacy.
I'm full! People everywhere are experiencing a breakthrough.
I haven't been this full since...
Fullness from a value menu.
Little announcement.
We're full! Introducing the Big Bell Value Menu from Taco Bell. A new menu of filling items like half-pound burritos, double tacos, designed to keep your stomach and your wallet full.
I'm full, but you wouldn't understand that. Oh.
Get full on value. Think outside the bun.
Tune in tonight for all the late-breaking news from around the country, including sports.
Listen carefully.
You've been selected to join our agency as a remote operative. To achieve your mission's objectives, you must join forces with other agents online. Team up with other players online. Siphon filter the Omega strain. Rated M for mature. So stay informed. Stay with us, your top source for news.
PlayStation 2, now just $149.
When it comes to heartburn, we've always had to choose between something that's fast or something that lasts. Only Pepcid Complete does both. It works fast and lasts all day or all night. Plus, you take just one, just when you need it. Oh, and you don't have to wait 1 to 4 days for it to reach full effect like Prilosec OTC. Why would I take anything else? Pepcid, just one, and heartburn's done.
Stop. Stop it. Stop it.
To keep things separate, use Glad Press and Seal Wrap.
Jim, travel advisories are in effect for the whole Tri-County region. I sure hope you're warm in the studio.
To protect against freezer burn, use Glad Press and Seal Wrap.
And back to you.
You can look at skincare the girl's way or the guy's way. Introducing Gillette Complete Moisturizer with SPF 15. Smoother, healthy-looking skin in 14 days. It's time to face skincare like a man. Gillette Complete Moisturizer.
For dry, red eyes, Clear Eyes is awesome. It removes redness and has an ingredient to moisturize. Wow. The difference is clear. Clear Eyes.
Fazoli's new Combo Italiano. 6 great combinations of drinks, salads, breadsticks with Fazoli's favorites. Great deals on classic sampler, smoked turkey panini, and other great combos with spaghetti, 6-layer lasagna, baked ziti, and pizza. Fazoli's new Combo Italiano. 6 great combos, 6 great values. All at Fazoli's.
Recently, Dodge Ram was pitted against 4 different full-size competitors. An independent company ran each through a battery of tests, and every time, the truck that out-towed, out-hauled, and flat-out outperformed the competition was the Hemi-powered Dodge Ram. Kinda makes you realize why Ram commands respect from every driver, especially ones that count on performance.
Sweet!
Want more? Get more at the Summer Sales Drive. Grab a Ram $1,500 and $1,000 bonus cash for a combined cash allowance of $4,500.
Jill's allergies used to leave her in a fog. Now she's Claritin Clear. That means I control Jill's sneezing and itchy eyes without drowsiness.
Children's Claritin, non-drowsy relief for kids as young as 2.
There's Clear. Then there's Claritin Clear.
People everywhere are experiencing a breakthrough. Taco Bell's new Big Bell Value Menu. A new menu of filling items like half-pound burritos, double tacos. To keep your stomach and your wallet full, think outside the bun.
fast relief of Tylenol Extra Strength is now available in refreshing cool caplets.
Introducing Gillette M3 Power. Turn on Gillette's first micro-power shaving system. Micro-pulses raise the hair so you shave closer. Feel the power of the world's best shave. New M3 Power from Gillette.
Want peace of mind from your PC? Then you want a Dell. Dell PCs received an A+ for service and reliability. Just call or go online now for a special offer on this Dimension desktop with an Intel Celeron processor for the amazing price of $450 after instant savings. This offer includes 10% off. Notebooks start at $720. But hurry, these offers end July 14th, and they're only a click or call away. Easy as Dell. Dell PCs use Intel Celeron processors.
Smirnoff Ice Premium Malt Beverage, reminding you that if you're gonna drink, do whatever it takes to act responsibly.